Hey guys, today we will be cooking a bacalao. This is our Croatian cuisine again. So we will have this fish here. This is salted bacalao. Already soaked it for 2 days. The bacalao, we will debone this, take out the meat, then we will boil together with the potatoes. Okay, that already deboned. Take the meat here, slice in small pieces, and put the potato together. Cut into small pieces like that. Boil it. Boil now. Cut bacalao. Hey guys, look at that. It looks like pate of fish bacalao with the boiled potatoes together with the parsley, olive oil, and the salt and pepper. Look at that. You mash like this, and that's it. We're done. Salted bacalao with potatoes, parsley, onion, garlic, and olive oil. Guys, we will taste our bacalao. Boiled bacalao with potatoes, mashed together.